Today I'm going to be showing you an awesome technique of creating cat eyes with your fingers. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. I use this magical technique even to this date. This is how I started doing makeup. I had no brushes, so I just used to use my fingers for everything. And this is one of those techniques where people might think you've taken a long time to create it, but no, it is super fast and super easy. And this is perfect for people who don't have control over brushes, or if you just don't have brushes, you can use your fingers. So I can't wait to show you how it's done. So without further delay, let's begin. All you need for this technique is one product, either a gel liner or a kohl kajal. And today I'm going to be using the Maybelline gel liner. This is my favorite drugstore gel liner. I'm going to start with my brows as usual because brows frame your eye makeup. So I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow, my favorite brow pencil in the shade 4. To fill in the sparse areas. I always start on top. Using the spoolie, I brush my brow hair downward so I can clearly see on top and fill in the sparse areas. Then I use the spoolie brush again to brush my brow hair upward so I can clearly see at the bottom and fill that in. I've cleaned up my lid space with some concealer and lightly set it with a translucent powder. Next, I'm going to smear some gel liner onto my finger. I'm going to slowly pull my lash line with a powder puff, look up, and then swipe the gel liner in my waterline. You see how easy that was? And it's so pigmented. And if you have to fill in the gaps, like I have to fill in my inner corner, you can always go in a second time. And now for the soft wing in the outer corner, I'm going to use a sticky tape. It's going to be an extension of my lower lash line. So it'll go in the same direction as my lower lash line, extending outward. I always like to use my sticky tape a couple times in the back of my hands before I use it on my face, so it's not that harsh. Again, I'm taking some gel liner with my finger and I'm going to start pushing it towards the center of the lid from the outer corner. All you have to do is lightly push it. You don't have to worry about cleaning the outer corner because you have a tape there which is your stencil. So when you pull it off, it's going to look clean and sharp. Interestingly, some of the concealer came off while I was smudging this and you can see the brown from the hyperpigmentation. I'm just going to leave it as it is. I think it's looking pretty cool. I'm using a little bit more of the gel liner in the very outer corner to deepen it just a tad bit. That's pretty much it. Cat eye is done. You can apply a coat of mascara and call it done. I'm going to clean up underneath. A lot of you have told me that it's difficult for you to even out the eye makeup on both eyes. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do it on your other eye as well. Again, taking a little bit of gel liner with my finger, lightly pulling down my lower lash line with a powder puff and sliding it in my waterline while I look up. Next, using the sticky tape in the outer corner as an extension of my lower lash line, smudging some gel liner again in the outer corner, without giving too much attention to neatness because the tape is going to take care of it, and pushing that gel liner towards the center of the lid. Pulling off the tape because we are done and cleaning up underneath. How you prefer to finish up is up to you. I just like to apply a coat of mascara. I'm going to first curl my lashes. This is the Sally Hansen curler. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. If you prefer, you can also use false lashes, but try to use something that wings out to add to that cat eye. It looks fantastic. Now, these kinds of cat-eyed look, especially the smoky ones, are extremely forgiving, especially if you have hooded eyes, because it's not a sharp wing in the outer corner, rather it's smoked out, so there's nothing interfering with the hood. It goes over the hood, it doesn't interfere with your folds, and it looks really soft and nice. And here is the finished eye look. How easy was that? I think it looks fantastic. And of course, with like any other makeup, it's going to take a little bit of practice, maybe a couple times, because it may seem uncomfortable using your finger, but I'm telling you, it is super simple, super easy, and super quick. It's definitely easier than using an external object like an eye pencil. Finger is part of your body, so it has to be more comfortable. I'm going to finish this up with an ombre lip and a lip gloss. You would have probably seen this look during my ombre lip video, which I'm going to link right after this video, so do check that out. And I love the way this look came together, the intensity of the cat eyes with that nude ombre lips. Absolutely love it, and I hope you do as well. And if you do, please don't forget to thumbs up. Let me know in comments what else you'd like to watch and if you enjoy such videos. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post several times a week, and do check out the description box for all the products that I used today, which is basically the gel liner. And you'll also find links to my social media. I've listed everything down below in the description box. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.